Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at Ginger's Garden. Well, I am so excited to finally have Ginger's Garden at Razor Emporium. It seems like it's been years, way too many years. She's been on the scene doing her thing for years, been a huge part of the wet shaving community. Miss Irina Marchu, I hope I'm saying that right. Sometimes you read these names, you never have a chance to actually hear them. But Irina is based out of Rancho Mirage, California. And she specializes in all things aromatherapy, naturopathic stuff, essential oils, all natural ingredients. That is all things Ginger's Garden, and we are so excited to finally have them on our shelves. She has been making this stuff for, I think she's been at it for like 25 years. But in terms of the wet shaving community, I think at least the last decade. But she does do other things like lip balms and hand soaps and lotions and, all things skincare. But the underlying kind of thread through all of it is all natural ingredients, high quality ingredients. She likes using quality like olive oil, natural butters. She does do some tallow-based soaps, some vegetable or vegan-based soaps. So there's kind of something for everybody in here. I just got done a few minutes ago doing a shave using some of these products, and I was really impressed, really enjoyed it, high quality stuff. I even was able to get away without using a pre-shave, and it felt just as slick and just as hydrating as when I do use my pre-shave. So very impressed by that. At this time, this is our small sliver of what Irina makes, and we're hoping as our customers get familiar with it and it starts growing, that we will expand our offerings of what we're carrying, because I think it's a fantastic line, and I hope you guys think so too. Let's go through some of the scents that we're currently carrying and talk about them. First off, we have Salty Mariner. Salty Mariner is crisp ozone with salty sea spray and ocean air. Smell the thunder of waves crashing against the shore. Suede is a complex fragrance with citron, bergamot, leather, patchouli, violet, birch, sweet tobacco, cedar, tonka bean, and oak moss. Luna has a lively grapefruit, fresh ocean breeze, clean ozone, and a note of sensual musk to complete this paradise in a shaving soap tub. Mandala. Mandala Natural Artisan Shaving Soap is a masculine fragrance with juicy mandarin, coriander, vanilla, lavender, cedar, tonka beans with dark patchouli. Marrakesh Best Natural Shaving Soap is a luxurious oriental blend of Turkish rose, night blooming jasmine, exotic spices, incense, West Indian sandalwood, and a touch of dark patchouli and precious amber. Octavia Noir Tobacco Shaving Soap has honey tobacco, black tea, and a hint of fruit and heady spices. Well, I am so excited that you guys had an opportunity to see and hear some more of this. I wish we had smell-o-vision so you could smell what I'm smelling, because these are fantastic. They're a great addition to the Razor Emporium, and I hope they can grace your shave den and be an addition to your bathroom, and you have an opportunity to use some of these fantastic products as well. If you have used Ginger's Garden, if you are familiar with Irina and you know how to say her last name, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for checking out Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. See you guys.